If you want to customize your itch.io page and make your game project look more polished, more professional, and way more clickable, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to edit your itch.io project page, update your title and description, add images, and save your changes so your page looks exactly how you want it to. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once you're there, log into your account using the account that owns the game project you want to customize. After you're signed in, head over to your dashboard. This is where all of your projects are managed, and it's the place you'll use to edit your game page. Now, find the game project you want to update and select it. If you have multiple projects, make sure you click the correct one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong page. Once your project is open, look for the Edit option and click it. This will take you into the project settings, where you can start customizing the appearance and information shown on your itch.io page. At this point, you can begin making the basic changes that matter most. Start by updating the title if needed, especially if you want the project name to be clearer or more eye-catching. Then move on to the description, where you can add more detail about your game, explain what it does, or make the page easier for visitors to understand. A well-written description can make a huge difference in how your project is perceived. Next, add or update your images. This is one of the most important parts of customizing an itch.io page because visuals help people quickly understand your game and decide whether they want to try it. You can upload screenshots, cover images, or any other visuals that fit your project. If you have videos available, those can also help make the page feel more complete and engaging. As you make your changes, take your time and make sure everything looks clean and consistent. Keep the layout simple. Make your text easy to read, and choose screenshots that show off the best parts of your game. A strong project page doesn't just look better, it can actually help you get more attention from players. Once you finish customizing your title, description, and images, scroll down and click Save. This step is important because it applies all of the updates you just made to your itch.io page. If you forget to save, none of your changes will go live, so always double-check before you leave the page. And that's it. Your itch.io page is now customized and ready to present your project in a much better way. It only takes a few minutes, but these small edits can make a big difference in how your game is viewed by others. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.